Hi everyone! So we are on video 2 of my Michael's grab boxes. These are $10. If you didn't see video 1, go check that out. But in video 1, I got the box that looked just like this, but this one was a Santa Claus. So I got this specific box because I wanted the snowman. And those are the only 2 little figures that I saw. So let's go inside and see what I got. Okay, so we are inside, and right off the top, I can see Valentine's Day felt. So these felt sheets have 15 pieces. These are really cute if you can cut them up and sew little envelopes. I think they're so cute. I will probably try to use these to die cut. So I got pink and purple. I also have a pack of red foam sheets, and this one is also 15, but it's just plain red, no glitter, kind of thin. There is a Valentine's Day, what is this? A door decor. I might be able to use the pieces out of here. Yeah, like the little like hearts and the X's, a couple of this stuff I could definitely use. I don't know if I'd really use this like honeycomb kind of looking pieces right there, but I could use some of the other pieces in there. That'd be cute. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Wow, look at that. So this is another huge spool of ribbon on this one, but it's gorgeous. Oh, this was another one of those $25 spool of ribbon. Super expensive, but this is very, very pretty. I'm excited about this. This I will definitely be keeping. Oh, this is pretty too. This is giving me like Cinderella vibes. Look at that. That is very, very pretty. Ooh, $20 for that roll. Oh, I love me some little red trucks. So I have some little red trucks here. I'll probably keep this one. That was $13. Oh, I have a couple boxes here. So for like Valentine's Day for the kids. So it's called a little mailbox. I got 2 of those that I ended up with. So I'll save those. There is a glitter heart here. That was $10. Oh, I got another giant spool of the red, white, and green. That was $25. I also have, oh, what is this? So it's like a very dark blue, kind of like a braided type ribbon. That's nice. That's different. There is also, this one's nice because it has foiling in it. That one's actually really pretty. I like that one. And there's one last little item. Let me see. So this is the last item here. It says it's a countdown kit, but it kind of makes like this little castle right there. This one I don't see myself keeping. Oh, that's cute. So some of it are little envelopes. I think it's too big for me to cut apart and use, so I might be passing this along. Maybe I'll send it off with my nephew so they could give it to their teacher and she could save it for next year. So that might be an option, but let me count how many pieces I got this time. So in total, I got 14 items for the $10. Now again, do I think this was worth the $10? I'm going to say no. If it was 5, I would be a little bit happier. But again, I don't even think I'm going to keep half the items here. Like, I might keep these little mailboxes. I'll keep this ribbon, this one, this one, this one. I'll probably keep the felt. I don't really know about the foam. I might gift that to my nephew to go take to the teacher. But yeah, again, I don't even see myself keeping half the stuff. So is it really worth $10? I just feel like it's not. There was still plenty of room that they could have stuffed way more items in here. Then maybe I would have been a little bit happier if it was like stuffed to the max. Honestly, I would just be more happy if they kept things at 90% off and gave us enough time to go and shop for it. Because I bet you that way things would sell. Like, At Hobby Lobby, when they hit 90% off, it is cleaned out. It goes really fast. So I think Michaels needs to just do the same thing. Let us go in and choose what we would like to buy, keep it at 90% off, do an announcement about it, let people on social media, you know, talk about it, and I bet you they would sell their stuff. Because like this little mailbox would have been 50 cents. I probably would have bought that for 50 cents. This ribbon would have been $2.50. I probably would have bought that. The felt, how much would the felts have been? The felts would have been 50 cents. I would have bought these. And that probably would have been about it. Like the stuff that I'm keeping would have been what I bought. But I guess when I think about it, I ended up spending more money than if I would have bought each little item. Because if I would have bought each little item, I would have spent like, what, maybe $5, but got things that I wanted. So now I'm stuck with things that I don't want, and I ended up giving them $10. So anyways, that's just my little thought of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you didn't see part 1, go check it out. I'll leave a link to it down below so you guys can go look at it. Oh, you know what? Now that I'm thinking about these little boxes, I can also use these for Christmas. How cute would that be to go ahead and decorate it for Christmas? I think I'll do that. Add some scrapbook paper on top, some ribbon, and make it a Christmas box. That would be fun. So, okay, as I'm sitting here, I'm getting a couple more ideas. So, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And if you guys got a grab box, let me know. Did you like it? Do you think this one was worth $10? Let me know down below in the comments. All right, bye, guys.